Yo, here's how you can get paid from The Rock versus Roman Reigns. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a few weeks ago, I put out a video talking about how you can make money from the WWE just by being a wrestling fan. All right, so this video is kind of like a part 2, right? And I'm gonna tell you why. In that video, the original video, I talked about how you could actually make money as a WWE affiliate, which basically means you can basically promote WWE products and get a commission for every sale that you generate. So in that video, I was talking about how, like at the time, CM Punk just came back to the WWE. And I was saying, just imagine if you would have been an affiliate of WWE and you was promoting CM Punk merchandise, how many sales you could have generated from that opportunity. So now, all right, it just pretty much got announced that The Rock is going to be facing Roman Reigns at Wrestlemania 40. All right, so as soon as I saw that, I'm like, damn, this could be another great opportunity for WWE fans, or really for anybody, to actually make some money from this matchup. Why? Because think about it. If you are a WWE affiliate, think about promoting the merchandise related to WrestleMania 40. Think about the Rock t-shirts that's about to be released. Think about the new Roman Reigns merchandise that's about to be released in the next 2 months leading up to WrestleMania 40. So all you need to do is become a WWE affiliate. All right, go to the website and just search for affiliate, or do a Google search on how to become a WWE affiliate, right? You'll find it. Once you sign up and you get your affiliate link, you need to promote that link. And just like in the previous video, the best ways to, promote your link is, first of all, I always say YouTube. I always tell people one of the best ways to promote affiliate links is by YouTube. So you can create videos talking about WrestleMania. You can create content about The Rock versus Roman Reigns, or really any content related to wrestling. And you can put your WWE affiliate link in the description of your videos. Now, another idea that you can do, which I said before, is like use your social media. So on Facebook, you could literally put up an image of the new Roman Reigns shirt and be like, yo, what do you think about this new shirt? And just put the affiliate link in the comment section of your Facebook post, right? So you put the image as your post, right? New shirt. What y'all think about Roman Reigns' new shirt? Check it out. Link in the comment, right? And you come back and put your affiliate link in the comment of that post. And people will actually get it if they'll look at it like, oh, that shit dope. Oh, and it's from the WWE official site. Oh, the shit, I'm gonna get this. You could do that with Roman's merchandise. You could do it with The Rock's merchandise. You get the point. And another little tip that a lot of people don't realize, if for whatever reason you don't want to be a WWE affiliate, or you can't be, eBay has an affiliate program. I think they still do, right? I mean, I was a part of it years ago, but you can actually be an affiliate for people selling things on eBay. So you can find like Rock merchandise or Roman Reigns merchandise, and you could do the same thing, right? Create content and then put your affiliate link to eBay listings or whatever. You could do the same thing. And you could always be an Amazon affiliate and find, WWE merchandise the same way. Just keep in mind with Amazon, I ain't gonna lie, their commission rates is low as shit. All right, so you might get 3% commissions, but any money is better than no money. So the bottom line is, this is a great way that you can earn some extra cash from The Rock facing Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 40.